Copper Fall State Park. You see that right here. And then we're about to walk the trail. We are heading to the Copper Falls and before the Brownstone Falls. So that's gonna be where we're gonna go. Wow, look at that. Black lava. What does it say? Black. Trail, you can see the river flowing down there. So we're right here in the fall. Should be somewhere in this area. Oh, but it goes around. Yeah, this is a nice flat trail, which is nicer than the one we went to. There's actually no sun, so which is nice. All right, we're heading to Brownstone Fall, 0.3 mile. Just got done taking photo at Copper Fall right there, so we're gonna head this way and then go up the stair and just follow along this bed river. All right, I think everybody's already there. I think the kids is already there, ready. 0.3 miles. We are here at Brownstone Falls. You can see here, that's where it is. Part of the bad river. It's kind of bad lighting, but you can see here, coming down pretty strong. Beautiful nature is hard to find. All right, we are done. We're gonna be walking to back to the beginning where we parked and just complete this trail. So that's pretty much it.